Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're starting something exciting, a 30-day English fluency challenge. If you've been learning English for months or even years but still feel nervous when it's time to speak, this challenge is for you. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever known the answer in English but stayed silent because you were afraid of making a mistake? If your answer is yes, don't worry, you're not alone. Almost every English learner goes through this stage. The problem isn't that you don't know English, the problem is that you haven't practiced speaking enough. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You can't become good just by reading a book about bicycles. You have to get on the bicycle, lose your balance a few times, and keep practicing. Speaking English works the same way. For the next 30 days, we'll practice together. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a huge vocabulary. You only need one thing, a willingness to speak every single day. Today's topic is self-introduction. Many people think introducing themselves is too easy, so they skip it. But in real life, this is one of the most useful speaking skills. Whether you're attending an interview, joining a new class, meeting someone for the first time, or talking online, you'll often begin by introducing yourself. Let's learn a simple introduction. Hello, my name is David. I'm from London. I'm learning English because I want to speak confidently with people from around the world. I enjoy reading books, watching educational videos, and learning new skills. My goal is to speak English naturally without fear. Did you notice something? There are no difficult words. The sentences are short, clear, and easy to remember. That's exactly how beginners should practice. Now it's your turn. Tell people your name. Tell them where you're from. Say what you do. Talk about your hobbies. Finally, explain why you're learning English. Don't worry if you stop in the middle. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're practicing, and practice is the only road to fluency. Here's a small challenge. Record your self-introduction on your phone. The first recording doesn't need to be perfect. Just speak naturally. Then listen to your recording. Notice where you paused, where you hesitated, or where you mispronounced a word. Now record it again. You'll be surprised. Even after 2 or 3 attempts, you'll sound much more confident. Remember, confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes because you speak. From today, promise yourself one thing. I will speak English every day, even if it's only for 5 minutes. 5 minutes every day is far more powerful than studying for 3 hours once a week. This challenge isn't about becoming perfect in 30 days. It's about becoming better than you were yesterday. One small improvement every day creates a big change over time. So here's today's mission. Introduce yourself for at least 1 minute. Record your voice 3 times. Listen to yourself. Correct one mistake. Then try again with more confidence. That's it. If you complete this simple exercise today, you've already taken your first step toward English fluency. Tomorrow we'll learn how to talk naturally about our daily routine, so don't miss it. If you're serious about improving your English, subscribe to this channel and join me every day in this 30-day English fluency challenge. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, every sentence you speak makes you a more confident English speaker. See you in day 2.